All right, complex numbers. We're going to add, subtract, and multiply them. Biggest thing is remember that I squared is a negative 1. And we just do the same process as when we added and subtracted the polynomials and multiplying them as well. So in this video, I'm just going to do an example of adding and subtracting. So there is a format to the complex number. So remember, there's a real part and an imaginary part, and that goes together. So example 1, this is an add scenario. So we're just going to add these. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine the real parts, okay, negative 4 and 5, which is 1. And we're going to go and combine the imaginary parts, and that's the part with the I. So negative 4i minus 7i is negative 14i. Okay, so if you have trouble seeing this, change I to x. That's the same thing, so it kind of works like a variable there. All right, so 1 minus 14i, that is the complex number. Okay, so we have this real part here, and we have the imaginary part right there. Okay, subtraction, that's what example 2 is about. Okay, just like before, distribute that negative into the polynomial behind it. Okay, then rewrite the problem. Negative 8 minus 3i, then negative times 3 is a negative 3, negative times a positive 2i is negative 2i. Okay, so all that negative does is change the signs. All right, so again, we're going to combine like terms. So negative 3 and negative 8 are the real part. That's going to be a negative 11. And then negative 3i and negative 2i is a negative 5i.